Energy prices are falling and inflation is slowly coming down, but bankruptcies are rising and many European businesses are still struggling to survive. How can they stay afloat?
They're basically now used to a different level of crises that come one after the other. And so they have figured out that the only solution that they have to solve this crisis is innovation.
Uncertainty and crises are opportunities. And that's what entrepreneurs do, right? They sometimes seize opportunities and build on them. Crisis times are not things that you weather. Crisis times are when you get up and change the world, right?
Hello and welcome to Business Planet. I'm at the annual SME Assembly in Bilbao, Europe's top event for small and medium-sized businesses, to see how firms are weathering the economic headwinds, trying to turn a crisis into an opportunity. Spain's Basque Country is one of Europe's leading innovation regions. Local research centre Tecnalia has designed this robot that has many potential uses.
We want the robot to be able to provide some applications such as sanding, painting, or laser cladding. We take the information in 3D of the camera, of the artificial vision, and then we compute the trajectories in 3D that will cover the whole part, and then we apply it to the robot.
Finding a niche market can make all the difference, like Orbic that tests cybersecurity levels in the design phase of industrial equipment.
We work for railways, substations in the smart grid, industry in general, health systems as well. In the past, most of systems were isolated and the risk of being attacked was rather small. Nowadays, with the systems being connected to the internet, it's becoming more and more common for systems to be attacked.
The SME Assembly aims to stimulate European businesses with high-level panels, interviews and networking opportunities, plus the prestigious Schumpeter Lecture, delivered this year by Professor Saras Sarasvati. It's been a turbulent few years with one crisis following another, and in September the European Commission presented the SME relief package to bolster small businesses.
It has different pillars, starting from finance, then moving to access to skills. These often relate to new emerging areas like solar panel installation, new climate activities or digital skills. We also have a chapter on regulation.
Yet bankruptcies are rising in Europe. They're at the highest level since 2015 and are up by more than 8% on the previous quarter. In a bid to avoid bankruptcies, the winner of the European Enterprise Promotion Award, the Portuguese Agency for Competitiveness and Innovation, has designed a tool that flags up potential problems with a company's business figures. One of the main reasons businesses go bankrupt is waiting too long before they're paid. This year, the European Commission proposed updated rules, including a maximum payment term of 30 days. Polish MEP Rosa Thun is presenting a report in the European Parliament and told me why small businesses need to be paid promptly.
They need liquidity, they need cash flow, they have to be able to make their plans and not wait for money. There are very many interesting proposals in this report, not only the famous 30 days, but also the execution of those payments and also fines for being late.
It may seem like a daunting time to want to start your own business, but not for these young entrepreneurs. Ukrainian Maria Alipatova won the youth startup competition with Solar Optic, an invention that captures sunlight and brings it into a building, saving money on lighting and improving the work environment.
This is one of the benefits to improve mental health of the workers, especially in the warehouses. I'm the engineer, so I know how it is to work in the factory. You feel sometimes depressed because of the noise, and sometimes natural sunlight is needed. But the main benefits are the reduction of carbon emissions and saving money on the electricity costs.
There's no shortage of big challenges for Europe's SMEs right now, but here at the Assembly there's no shortage of big ideas either, as Europe's stakeholders look to create a more sustainable economic climate. See you next time on Business Planet.